Hi, my name is Peter Law, and I will be discussing about building a data model for Unlock Senior Health Services. Creating a dimensional model is a highly dynamic process. The first step is to identify the scope of the design. Choosing the business process is important because it defines a specific design target. Next, consider what is needed to meet the business requirements and what is possible based on the data collected. The team would provide specification for the dimension tables with attribute definition, domain values, sources, relationships, and any data quality concerns. And finally, decide on the most critical numeric measure to store in the fact table layer. What are we answering? The process is complete when the model meets the business requirement. Key deliverables of the modeling process are the high-level dimensional model, detailed dimensions, and fact table design. It is also important to involve more business representatives in the design activities because this can benefit the outcome of the final dimensional design. When we determine the fact tables, we must consider the following. A fact table contains a measurable event in the real world. It is preferable to use facts that are fully additive. Additive measures can be summed across any of the dimensions associated with the fact table. Nodes must be avoided in the facts table foreign keys because these nodes would cause an integrity violation. There are several ways to store data efficiently that allow the rapid execution of complex analytical queries. Currently, online analytical processing, or OLAP, is the most used technique in data processing. An OLAP cube is a reporting system designed to allow different flexible analysis in real time online with data structure designed for fast retrieval. Data lakes require fewer upfront data modeling because its schema on read approach allows storing heterogeneous and numerous datasets. OLAP-style analysis self-service tools do not require writing or reading on the disk, so the querying process becomes much faster. In recent years, OLAP technology has moved to the cloud platform with a potential benefit to improve processing speed and performance. Dimensional modeling is a long-standing technique for making databases simple. Simplicity is critical because it ensures that users can easily understand the data. The star schema is a particular way of organizing data for analytical purposes. The center of the star schema is a fact table, and it is the focus of dimensional queries. The star schema is helpful because it gives us a standardized, time-tested way to think about shaping your data for analytical purposes. A snowflake schema adds hierarchical structure to the dimension tables. The schema can be very powerful in processing abstraction. For example, customer categories could be based on purchasing patterns, credit history, or demographic categories. Unlock begins by forming a workgroup of interested parties that would lead the data dimensional modeling process. The design process requires the cooperative effort of people with diverse set of skills. Next, Unlock identify the business processes that are operational activities, such as taking a drug prescription order, distributing instruction on the prescription drug use, providing health education brochure, or medical instruction from doctors and nurses. Then the team translates these business process events into fact tables. Then it is appropriate to place several dimension tables around a targeted fact table in star schemas. Most modern business intelligence solutions use dimensional modeling. Therefore, it is essential that Unlock uses the dimensional model to streamline its health information database. Maintaining a large amount of health data can be challenging, so the dimensional model that the organization is building must meet the business requirements and other strategic initiatives. The project outcome would improve operational efficiency in data management across the organization.